Hey English learners, welcome back to the Daily English Podcast. How are you today? I am happy to see you. Today I want to talk about marriage. It is a very important topic.
Hello, I'm good, thank you. I am also happy to talk with you. Yes, marriage is very important. Many people think about it.
Do you want to get married? I think about it sometimes. I want a happy and peaceful life. Family is important for me.
Yes, I want to get married, but not now. I want to work and be ready. I need a good job first.
Yes, that is right. Being ready is important. Marriage is a big responsibility. People should think carefully.
I agree with you. Marriage is not only love, it is also responsibility. People should understand this.
What kind of partner do you want? I want a kind and honest person. He should respect me. And he should understand me.
I want a simple and kind girl. She should support me. She should be honest. Trust is very important for me.
Yes, trust is very important. Without trust, it is difficult. Love is also important. People need both love and trust.
That is true. Love and respect go together. People should care for each other. This makes a strong family.
Do you think marriage is difficult? Sometimes I feel it is not easy. People have problems. Life is not always simple.
Yes, it can be difficult, but problems are normal. Strong people solve problems. They stay together.
That is a good point. Communication is important too. People should talk every day. It helps to understand each other.
Yes, communication is key. If people don't talk, problems grow. They should share feelings. It helps relationships.
Do you want a big family? I like small families, maybe 2 children. Simple life is enough for me.
I also want a small family, maybe 1 or 2 children. I want a peaceful home with love and respect.
Do you think money is important in marriage? I think it is important a little, but love is more important. Money cannot buy happiness.
Yes, money is important for life, but it is not everything. Love and peace are more important. Happy people don't need too much money.
That is true. I want a simple and happy life, good family and peace. That is enough for me.
Me too. I don't want a complicated life. I want love and understanding. That is real happiness.
Thank you for this talk. It was very interesting. I learned many things. I feel happy now.
Thank you too. I enjoyed this conversation. It was very nice. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.